Today we reported for yesterday 2,179 new cases of coronavirus. All of these were locally acquired. This brings us to 21,324 active cases. Very sadly, 6 people have lost their lives to coronavirus in the most recent reporting period. This included 3 men in their 80s from Brimbank, Darebin and Boroondara, 2 women in their 80s, 1 each from Hume and Moreland, and a woman in her 50s from Moonee Valley. We take this opportunity to pass on our deepest condolences and best wishes to families, friends and community members of those who are grieving for those that they have lost. Currently we have 695 people in hospital with COVID-19. 157 are in intensive care and 101 are on a ventilator. Yesterday there were 73,942 coronavirus tests, and they were also administered through the state-run clinics 38,752 vaccines, and indeed the figures for the state as a whole that were reported yesterday showed that across all platforms over 98,000 vaccines were delivered by all our GPs, our pharmacists and our state clinics. In regards to a few things to mark today. Today is the cut-off day on which all on-site approved workers must have received their first dose. If they haven't had that dose, they need to have made a booking by midnight to get that dose within the next 7 days, that is by the 22nd of October, to comply with the public health orders. This includes a range of approved and authorised workplaces and workforces right across the public and private sectors. Many sectors, including the government, are leading by example by making sure that in the government's circumstance, over 300,000 people get the support to go and get the vaccine during supported hours, and many other private sector employers have done similar. As we work through the required first and second doses, we're calling on all employers to do everything that they possibly can to facilitate and encourage their workforce to go out and get vaccinated for the safety not just of their workplace, not just of their fellow workers, but indeed the wider community. And I take this opportunity to encourage those quite small number of Victorians who are covered by this order who have yet to take that step to go and get vaccinated. It's a question of supporting all of our freedoms, all of our rights to be able to work safely in our community and get us reopened as quickly as we possibly can and stay open safely.